This is a Belgian Coticule Sharpening stone. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. Also rolled out, very gently rolled out, like right along here, so it's out of the hunting thing, this chip. Natural combo, very thick layer of Coticule. This stone is 7 and 19/32 of an inch long, or 19.288 centimeters, by, on the wide end, 1 and 5/8 of an inch, or 4.128 centimeters, 1.5 in the middle, or 3.81 centimeters, and 1 and 13/32 on the other end, or 3.57 centimeters. And it's in the center, 6/8 of an inch thick, or 1.905 centimeters. Natural combo. It's a very old quarried paddle stone. Anyway, I'm out of time. Belgian Coticule.